Welcome to the June vlog. Hi. It's a beautiful day. It is Sunday, June 1st. Much to do, much to do. I'm going to make some muffins because our new stove came in. Yay! So we have an oven again that can fit my muffin pan. So I'm gonna do that. Honestly, it's great that we got a new oven because that other one was so dirty inside. It was like beyond, like the amount of oven cleaner it was gonna need. I was to the point where like, we need to take this outside. We can't ventilate enough. Stir together water, oil, eggs, muffin mix. Okay, very simple. I just started season 2 of Secret Lives of Mormon Wives. Thoughts? Okay, first of all, Taylor. Definitely leave Dakota. Wow, not surprised at all that he lied more than he already lied. Taylor's mom trying to say that she should try to make it work with Dakota, of all people. No, her mom has terrible advice. Babe, he's not going to change. Even if he does, you don't need to be the one there to watch it. Oh, these are so fun. Love me a scoop. Boop, boop. So yeah, Taylor, if you're watching this, I know you're not. My advice, definitely leave Dakota immediately. Do not even entertain the idea of continuing any sort of relationship beyond co-parenting with this man. Your instincts are right. Your mother, like, she's so passionate about the family thing and sticking together because of her past, because of what happened with her and your biological father. Did she do that? Also, if she had, how would it have worked out? Your dad seemed like a piece of crap. He did not deserve such a precious little girl. So, no, it didn't work out with them for a reason, and it didn't need to, and it wouldn't have. It could not have. Same situation with Dakota. He's unworthy as a partner. I don't know how he is as a dad, but as a partner, unworthy, and you need to leave him. So Jen and her guy. Jen, you're way too good for this guy. He's a loser. I don't believe he ever got accepted into medical school. Yeah, I don't know about that little guy. And they're so young, and it's like you found your first boyfriend, you married him, and now you've got this idea in your head because of how you were raised that you have got to make it work with this loser. And it's like, oh my God, if I married my first boyfriend, no, don't do that. Do not do that. For the majority of the population, your first partner, relationship, or whatever, it's just a learning experience. My last thoughts on Jen and Little Blondie. I'm just upset at the showmakers because when she was in her little Airbnb saying, as of right now, we're separated, I was like, yes, girl, yes, Jen, you go, girl. Didn't even leave the house before this man came back into her life. Like, literally in the next sentence, and he's coming over today, and there's his suitcase, which is like, okay, I'm not buying it. You invited him back. Girl, ladies, go on some other dates. Date around. Please get away from these loser men. They suck. These guys suck. Maybe date outside of the church. Just saying. Also, just some random Whitney appreciation real quick. I know she was crazy last season. She's probably going to be crazy this season. But I really like that this girl allows herself to be pale. She's beautiful, looks like a little Greek baby or Roman baby or, you know, a little cherub. I don't know if she's all natural or whatever, but I'm not trying to hate on these other girls. But it's like, hey, she's different. She's the only one that doesn't look like the rest of them, okay? I appreciate that about her. She glows. She's gorgeous. Maybe it's because she's always pregnant. Do you look done? You look done. Mittens. Tradition. Tradition. But again, these ladies are just a product of their environment. They hold on to these men because they were told that their whole purpose in life is to find a man and hold on to him and be his little servant. So it is fun to see these ladies break the rules. From their perspective, I mean, what they're saying is hugely controversial, rebellious, and I'm glad they're doing it. I don't want to come off too harsh. To each their own. Do you, boo? But a lot of religions are honestly just keeping people, maybe specific genders, but people in their places where the church wants them. And I don't appreciate that. I don't like that, and I'm going to call it out. So I'm sure there are plenty of happy, healthy Mormons who don't subscribe to some of those thoughts and ideas. Yeah, just saying, hi, I'm Hannah, and whatever you believe is cool. I hope you're doing well. As long as you're not harming others. That like rippled through the sky. Good morning. This is a leaf of thyme from the garden, and I'm about to try it. Oh my goodness. Whoa, it's such an herb. Why, that was delicious. I'm so excited. My first herb from my garden. That was great. There are people in there. Girls, your extensions. Come on. Come on. They're a little crazy. But do you. You do you.